Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about top 5 best SUVs in India. The SUV segment has become very popular in India. People in India are in love with this segment due to better size and rough road performance of the car. The compact SUVs are also priced quite competitively to give tough competition to the other car segments. The full-size SUV on the other hand are one of the best luxury plus status vehicle in their segment. Find out below about top 5 best SUVs in India. 1. Hyundai Creta. Hyundai Creta is a golden egg-laying car for Hyundai in India. Hyundai sold 12,284 units in January 2021, which is a 78% increase compared to January 2020. Despite being more than 10 lakh rupees, the Hyundai Creta enjoys unprecedented popularity. It has become the leader of the mid-size segment of SUV in India, and no other car comes close to it. Many people in India define the SUV segment with the Hyundai Creta. 2. Hyundai Venue. While Maruti Suzuki may be the leader in the hatchback and compact sedan segment, nothing comes close to Hyundai in the SUV department. The second most selling SUV in India for January 2021 in the Hyundai Venue. 11,779 units of the compact SUV were sold in India, which is a 74.94% increased compared to January 2020. The Hyundai Venue cost between rupees 8.7 lakh to 13.98 lakh on road Mumbai. It also comes with diesel petrol and turbo petrol option. It is also one of the few cars in this segment to come with the IMT transmission option. 3. Maruti Vitara Brezza. Maruti is the largest car manufacturer in India and was bound to make an appearance on the list. Maruti sold 10,623 units of the Brezza in 2021, which is a 4.82% increase over the last year. While these figures are good, it shows that Hyundai is easily beating Maruti in the SUV segment. The Maruti Suzuki Brezza cost between rupees 8.59 lakh to 13.35 lakh on road Mumbai. You only get a 1.5 liter K series petrol engine with both manual and automatic transmission. 4. Kia Seltos. Kia is the sister brand of Hyundai and is performing quite well with its SUV too. When the Seltos was first launched, it took the market by storm and in many cases beat the Hyundai Creta in terms of sales number. However, January 2021 has not been a perfect year for the Seltos. Kia has only managed to sell 9,869 units of the Seltos, which is a 34.20% decrease compared to January 2020. While 9,000 plus units is pretty good, Seltos can do more with the facelift or an update. The Kia Seltos cost between rupees 11.45 lakh to 20.98 lakh on road Mumbai and comes with similar engine and transmission option as the Creta. 5. Kia Sonet. The subcompact SUV segment is pretty popular and Kia did not want to wait more. Kia managed to sell 8,809 units of the Sonet in India. The Kia Sonet also costs between rupees 7.90 lakh to 15.70 lakh on road Mumbai and comes with similar engine with transmission option with as the Hyundai Venue. It is also one of the few select car to come with a factory fitted IMT transmission. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.